Today we're on one of our manual line processes in our saw department, and we're going to talk about a big value stream mapping 5S Kaizen we did for this area to make it a little safer, a little cleaner, and more efficient. So what we did, we partnered with KYMEP, which is Kentucky Manufacturing Extension Partnership, and we brought in one of their experts in lean, and he worked with our team to get some ideas on how we can improve the area as a whole. Behind me, you'll see we start with a before and after. Over here we got some value stream maps. We mapped the entire process as the way it is, and then we went through and found out where are our bottlenecks, where are our deficiencies, and the guys did a great job in turning this line around. Before, we kept our saw blades in the back corner by the by the saw desk. We actually changed that, made a little holder here, and we keep them at the line now, at the Gemba. That way, as they're needed to be used, they can be pulled, put in place, and then thrown away when they're done. The guys don't have to leave the line to do it. Every time we stack our angle, we flip it off, we stack it in sets of 10. Because the angle's hard to stack, it would be staggered on the end. We would have to cut off about 6 inches to get everything nice and even. Now we've created a plate on the back end of this. We flip the angle, jam it against that plate. We've gone from cutting off 5 to 6 inches to a 1/2 inch, and we're able to keep everything straight and get that nice even cut on the end, so you're cutting all yours the same length. So moving on, we created some setup fixtures. Every time we set up, we have to measure the length and make sure we get it just right. So instead of having to measure each time and set up a little different, we've got these fixtures that have holes in it. You put that up, put the dies in it, and you're in the exact right location every time. You run your first piece, do a quick inspection, and you're good to go. It's simple things. So the guys had the hoses that were drug under, they were kind of walking through, became a tripping hazard, and the cart was scooted a little bit far away, the table there. So they just got together and said, hey, let's make it a little safer. They took their hoses, run them under the machine so they're not running around it, and then they got the table a little bit closer. That way, anything that they have to move over, it's a short distance to carry. They're not carrying these big, heavy angle a long way. And the last thing, this is probably the best improvement of all over here. So we've got our scrap table. We run a lot of stock parts over here that have the same pieces come off each time. Well, we would just throw those things away because where do you store them? How do you store them? We might store them in racks for weeks and weeks and weeks and then finally throw them away. So they created a table. And when it comes off, based on the dimension it is, it'll go into a slot. So we have our 4-foot slot here. Now, next time they run their 4-foot stock, before they cut fresh angle, they'll go empty their 4-foot section, turn that into stock pieces first, and then start pulling fresh angle. So we've really started utilizing our off-fall and scrapped a lot less because of it.